Let's assemble your new Lagree standing pole. Take one of the end caps. Make sure the pole slot aligns with the shape inside the end cap. And slide the pole in place. Take one of the washers and set it into place. Then take one of the screws and screw it in. Tighten by hand as much as possible. Then take your 5mm Allen key and tighten. Next, take one of the end cap seals. Align it to the end cap and snap it in. Make sure all the sides snap in. Repeat the same process for the other end. Now your new Lagree standing pole is ready to use.